What if I told you there's a hidden way, a financial loophole that could let you turn your ordinary retirement savings into tax-free wealth for life without paying the IRS a dime today? Every year, millions of Americans save in a traditional IRA with one great fear looming like a storm on the horizon: taxes. You've worked, you've sacrificed, you've saved carefully, only to face the day when Uncle Sam knocks on your retirement door. But what if there's a different ending to that story? A traditional IRA is like a waiting game. You delay taxes today, but tomorrow when you retire, those taxes don't vanish. They compound, waiting to strike at the exact moment you finally need that money. So many believe they have no choice. They whisper, "Why pay now when I can pay later?" But later often means paying more, because tax laws change, brackets rise, and your future self may discover that the system was designed to collect, no matter what. Then enters the Roth IRA, a mythical creature in the retirement landscape. You pay taxes up front, yes, but then your money grows free. Withdrawals? Untouchable, tax-free, forever. For most people, the Roth feels just out of reach. The question is, how do I break free? How do I move my savings from the shadows of the traditional IRA into the light of the Roth, without handing over thousands in taxes today? There is a way. It is called the Roth conversion strategy, and skilled planners have been using it quietly, moving wealth into a Roth, completely tax-free. Here's how the secret works. In some years, your income drops unexpectedly. Maybe you've lost a job, taken a sabbatical, started a business, or even retired early, but haven't claimed Social Security yet. Those years open a rare window. A window where your taxable income is so low, your traditional IRA conversion slides through at zero tax liability. It feels almost forbidden, like you've bent the rules in your favor. Others do it through calculated strategy, offsetting the conversion with deductions, losses, or high-value write-offs. Some even leverage charitable gifting strategies to wipe the conversion off the tax map entirely. And what they end up with is pure freedom. A Roth IRA, stacked, secure, untouchable by taxes, built without paying the toll most think is unavoidable. Imagine this. Everyone else in your circle is calculating their tax bills at retirement. Meanwhile, you withdraw every cent of your Roth tax-free. The vacations, the home, the legacy you pass on, untouched by the claw of the IRS. And imagine the other side. Those who never learned the strategy, who thought it was too late, their retirement years shadowed by constant fear of the next tax increase. It's heartbreaking, because the choice was always there. So, the question is, will you act while the window is still open, or will you let the opportunity slip away? The Roth conversion strategy isn't for everyone. It takes planning, timing, precision. But for those who master it, the reward is life-changing. This isn't just about numbers. It's about freedom, about securing a retirement you control, where the tax bill never finds its way into your mailbox. The path is hidden, but now you know it exists. The secret is simple, but only if you act before it's too late.